is my 2018 ZR2 Duramax Diesel. Today we're going to do a little review of the full Flo Pro exhaust. Now before we do that review, a couple things I got to take care of. I need to put a new decal on that I got, and I also need to fix my tire pressure monitor light. The reason I got to fix my tire pressure monitor light is because I just recently got Method Race 312s in bronze, and if you didn't see that video, check it out. I'll link it. It'll be up here. Spoiler alert, I love them and they fit awesome and great. See, that's no good. You gotta fix, well, we don't care about the ice possible, drive with care. That, gotta fix that. Hopefully this guy works. I'll link it in the description if it does. But it's just a simple, I think it was like 12 bucks or something from Amazon. So let's put this in tire learning mode. There we go. Start at the driver's side, front, work our way around. Hopefully we get this all set. So I don't know what the deal with this is. I think this thing works perfectly. I think there's a problem with the tire pressure monitors in the truck because I can only get front left, the spare, and the rear left to work with this. The two passenger side won't engage at all, won't do anything. It won't beep, won't honk. Like, I get this close to this, not even like close to the valve stem. I get this close to the wheel and it works perfectly. The other side tried again and again and again and didn't work. So I'm gonna email Mr. Wheel Deal and see what their thoughts are, and maybe they didn't stick tire pressure monitors in that side. I don't know, that would be my luck though. But I don't think it's a fault of this. I think this works just fine. So I'm still gonna link this in the description because it did seem to work. That looks pretty nice. I'm happy with that. Pretty subtle. Looks pretty good on there. Didn't want something too obnoxious. So now that we got that stuff taken care of, let's move on to the exhaust. It is a full Flo Pro exhaust from tip to tail. So from turbo all the way back, it is a complete 3-inch setup. And then in the back, I have a 3 to 5 inch black exhaust tip here. Just real nice, clean, simple look. Really happy with the fit and finish of the entire kit. The only issue I have is sometimes it rubs ever so slightly on one of the cross members underneath, which I'll show you here. And I think I can get that taken care of with just a little bit of adjustment. And if I can't do it with a little bit of adjustment, then I'll end up modifying the hanger a little bit. I just got to raise it like a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch max. Not a big deal. Now, as far as sound goes, I'm going to insert some clips here for you guys driving outside the truck, inside the truck, and then do some drive-bys. Take a listen. Let me know what you guys think. It sounds just about perfect in my opinion. Drop a comment below if you think it sounds too loud, too quiet, sounds like total crap. Either way, let me know because I'm curious. Generally, people I think it sounds pretty good, especially for what it is. It is a 4-cylinder diesel. It is a 2.8 4-cylinder diesel. So the fact that it sounds this good with this Flo Pro exhaust, I'm pretty stoked about. Now, if you guys did tune in and watch the video of the full straight pipe where I removed the muffler, if you didn't watch that, take a gander. I'll link it as well above, because to be honest, I think straight piped it sounded like crap. Now it's funny because there were a lot of comments that agreed with me and a lot of comments that said it's not too loud. You know, I have a 5.9 Cummins and it's way louder. Well, you're right. Your 5.9 Cummins, your 6.6 Duramax, your Power Stroke, they can be straight piped because they're going to sound pretty good, because they're either going to be a large inline six or a large V8, and those diesels sound good. I have an LB7 Duramax, it's fully straight piped. It isn't too loud for me, and it sounds good. However, this truck, too loud, did not sound good. And this is a daily, so keep that in mind too. But if you're gonna get an exhaust for your Colorado diesel or Canyon diesel, I would suggest the Flo Pro. There aren't a lot of companies that make the exhausts, and obviously with an exhaust, you gotta do some other things to make it work. Also, keep in mind, fitting the downpipe is a big pain in the ass. That was the worst part of putting it on. It's just a tight area. If you look in here, that's where you're going. Back in there. So most of those bolts I accessed through here, the fender well area, some of them through the engine bay, but they suck getting out. And it wasn't the worst thing. It took a few hours, I would say, for the downpipe. You got to fit in there. If you have small hands, good for you, because you're going to need them. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I try to get back to all comments. Also, people a lot of times will ask me, well, where's the link for this and where's the link for that, without looking in the description box. I put links to almost everything in the description box. So take a look there before you ask me. If I forget something, just let me know, and I'll send you the link of something so I can try to help you guys out. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video featuring the Colorado. Also on this channel, if you're new, I also have an LS1 E36 build going on, and I have my full-size manual ZF6 LB7. Weekly content. See you in the next video.